In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Drive folders in Google Classroom. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Google Drive. This is where all your folders and files are stored, making it easy to find what you want to share. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the folder that you want to share with your class. It's as simple as clicking once to select it. After you've selected the folder, take a look at the top menu. You'll find a link icon. Click on that. This will copy the direct link to your folder, which is essential for sharing purposes. Now we'll switch gears and open up Google Classroom. You can do this in a new tab or window to keep everything organized. Navigate to the specific class where you want to share that folder. Now, let's discuss two different methods for sharing, publicly and privately. First, we'll go over how to share the folder publicly with the entire class. In Google Classroom, find the area where you see Announce something to your class. Click on that field and you'll be ready to make an announcement. Next, it's time to add the link you copied earlier. Click on that link icon again and a little pop-up will appear. Paste your Google Drive folder link into that field. Once you've done that, just click Add Link. Now here's where it gets fun. You can type a message to accompany the link. This is a good chance for you to explain what the folder contains or why it's important. Once you have everything just right, click Post. And just like that, everyone in your class can access the folder. They'll be able to jump in and view or utilize the materials you've shared. Now, if you're looking to share the folder privately, maybe just with your teacher, I've got you covered. Let's take a look at that method. Start by finding the specific assignment in Google Classroom where you want to submit the folder. Once you've located that assignment, you'll see a Your Work section. Click on Add or Create, and from the drop-down options, select Link. This is where you'll paste that folder link again. Once it's attached, just click Add Link. Now it's really important to finalize this step. You'll see an option that says Turn In. Click on that and then confirm by clicking Turn In once more. And there you go. Your folder is now shared only with your teacher or advisor, making this a more private option for sharing your work. So there you have it. You now know how to share Google Drive folders in Google Classroom, both publicly with your entire class and privately with your teacher. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you did, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials. Happy sharing!